In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to revert to an old version in Google Sheets, view the version history, and recover your sheet easily. This is incredibly useful for those moments when you've made changes to a document and need to go back to a previous version. Whether it's because of accidental deletions, experimental edits, or just to review the history of your document, Google Sheets has got your back with its version history feature. First, we'll start by opening up the Google Sheet that you want to revert or check the version history for. Navigate to your Google Drive and locate the document you're interested in. Click on the document to open it. Once you have the document open and ready on your screen, we can move on to the next step. Now, take a look at the top left corner of your screen and you'll see the File menu. Go ahead and click on File. This drop-down menu contains various options for managing your document. You're likely familiar with some of these options like New, Open, or Make a Copy. But today we're focusing on a specific tool. In this menu, you'll find the Version History option towards the middle. Go ahead and hover over Version History, which will reveal an extended menu. In this menu, you can see an option that says See Version History. When you click this, Google Sheets will open a sidebar on the right, displaying a detailed log of all the changes that have been made to the document, including who made these changes and when they were made. Now that you can see the version history, you can look through the different saved versions. On this right sidebar, you'll find a comprehensive list that charts out all the edits and changes. From here, click on any specific version that you might want to preview. It's reassuring to see the timeline of changes, as it provides clarity on when specific alterations were made. This step also helps if you're not entirely sure which version to revert back to. After selecting a specific version, notice that there are more options available. Usually these options are indicated by a three-dot icon next to the version name. Clicking this will reveal additional choices. Among these, you should see Restore this version. Clicking this option allows you to bring your document back to that chosen state. Finally, after clicking Restore this version, a confirmation box will pop up. This is your chance to ensure you're ready for the reversion. Simply click Restore to confirm. Congratulations! You've successfully reverted to an older version of your Google Sheet. Remember, using version history is not only useful for undoing mistakes, but also for collaborating with others, as it maintains a transparent record of all changes. So next time you need to backtrack or review document changes, you know exactly where to go.